Hey guys, Cheri and Moo from the Watering Mouth here, doing a review and giveaway of the Levoit Smart True HEPA Air Purifier for you. Review and giveaway. So make sure you find out how you can win one of these yourself, and I'll be drawing the giveaway winner really soon. So Levoit reached out to me because they wanted me to review this air purifier in time for Amazon Prime Day. Now, Amazon Prime Day is awesome, you guys, by the way, because so many things, especially these small appliances, go on sale at really amazing prices. This Levoit purifier is going to be at such a killer price. I want you to check it out if you might be interested in it, but you could also win one, so make sure you sign up for the giveaway. Okay, so here it is. This is the Levoit air purifier. Now let me just show you the box. We've already taken this out because we've been testing this for a little while. It is the Levoit, this model. I'm doing the review for this model with the S. It's the smart one, but the giveaway is just for the one without the S, not the smart one. It's just the regular air filter. It looks exactly like this one. It just doesn't have the Wi-Fi function. So this air purifier is super awesome. We've been using it for 2 weeks now, I think. Automatic speed control, HEPA filter, filter change indicator, air quality monitor, and then this particular model has the ability to control it via Wi-Fi, which has proven to be super great. Neutralizes up to 99.7% of airborne allergens, dust, and bacteria, and we actually have even noticed a little bit less dust in this room, just dust floating around in the air after using this unit. 3-stage filtration system, I'll show you that, 3 speed levels, and I'm going to show you all these cool features, okay? So if you have pets, if you have kids that run around and bring in a lot of dirt, if you live in an area with bad air quality, this is a really, really cool thing to have. And I'm going to tell you more about our experience and what has happened. So let me just show you the unit. This is the air purifier here. Now I want to say we live in just like a regular apartment, so it's not super fancy design-wise here, but if we had really nice furniture and stuff, this would match really nicely. So it has this nice little, I'm just going to take this off here. So let me show you the buttons and the controls. So the unit itself just has a nice, easy sort of touch buttons on and off. You can turn the display on and off if it's nighttime. It has a sleep function, an auto function, which is really great because it will detect what the room needs. So I have really liked this one because it kind of keeps it on a nice low level. I'll show you how it works on the app actually to see what the air quality level is, and it just detects it itself. You can choose 3 different speed, and even this high speed isn't crazy noisy. It's pretty nice. And then you've got a timer where you can do up to 12 hours. And it will shut off after that amount of time. It also has the Wi-Fi function. You can see that is working because it's got this little light here. Let me just show you the specifics of this model and what this looks like. So the air intake is here. You can kind of feel the air sucking in a little bit there, and then the air comes out here. So of course when it's on the higher speed, it's more noisy and more air is coming out. There you go. Then I'm just going to turn this off and show you what the filtration system is actually like. So it's got these magnets up at the top. This door just comes off completely, but it's super easy to just go like that and put it back on. So changing the filter is super simple. You've got the one filter here, and you can actually see, we've been using this for a couple of weeks on and off. You can see a bunch of this dust in here already, cat hair. And the filter doesn't look super dirty yet, but yeah, I mean, we haven't been using it much, and apparently our air quality is pretty decent in here. Then it has this other filter, and it's got these little tabs you can pull out. This is the carbon filter, so you can actually see little carbon pellets in there. So you put this back in here. This has 2 sides. There's this silver filter, and then there's also the other HEPA filter. So you've got that 3-stage filtration system. I've seen a lot of other reviews online that they've been using it for a month or so, and it's got lots of stuff on it, and it just really depends a lot on how many pets you have and stuff. We just have the 2 cats, so super easy to change that filter. I'll put a link as well for the filters down below, as this particular model and the other non-smart model too, so you guys can get the links for all of those in the description down below or above, depending on where you're watching this video. So that is basically what the unit looks like. It's really light. It's not hard to pick up at all. You just plug it in, put the filters in, it's good to go. Now I want to show you about the smart function. All right, so it's got this V-Sync app right here. Open up the app. Now signing in, you just create an account and you use this V-Sync, you can actually put a lot of other devices on this app as well to control remotely. So I've got the air purifier synced here. Because I've hooked up a unit like this before, our baby monitor actually, we knew how to do that, but all you have to do is just hook into your wireless network and then it will start running and you'll be able to use this unit from afar. Okay, so when you first open this app, you're going to see it in black and white. If your air purifier is not on yet, you can just hit the on button. And did you hear that little ding? That's the unit turning on and off. You'll automatically get this screen, which will give you the current air quality right now, which is very good in this room. It also shows you the filter life is at 96%, which is really cool to see. It'll start off in auto mode, and that's why it's not on high or anything right now, just because it senses that the air is very good, so we don't need very much filtration right now. And then it also has, this is the really cool part here, it has a scheduling feature where you can create whatever schedule you want. So ours is set to go from 9 p.m. to 8 a.m. You can just turn that off or turn it on and then create any other schedule that you want to. This is really great if you're at work or something and you want it to be running but right before you get home so that you have good air quality when you get home, that sort of a thing. That is a really, really cool feature. I like that a lot. You can turn the display off right from this app. So if you're laying in bed and you're like, oh shoot, I didn't turn off the light and it's bothering you, you can turn off that display. You can also put it on sleep mode as well. And you can put the timer from this section here if you want it on for just a few hours or whatever. This app is so easy to use. And I think that if you are somebody who lived alone or have really bad allergies and say one day the air quality isn't very good where you live, or say the pollen is really bad and you're feeling it while you're at work, it's so cool to be able to have this app to be able to just start it remotely so that your house is nice and fresh once you get home. This particular unit is good for about 300 square feet, so a very large room. That's like 17, 18 feet by 17, 18 feet. So it'll hit a pretty large room. In this room here, we've had really good luck with it. Now, I don't have any allergies or anything like that, so it's hard for me to tell, but my husband has really bad allergies, especially to our cats, which was one of our sort of sticking points when we started dating, but we decided we'd keep them. And yeah, I decided I'd keep the husband instead of the cats, right? But I would have never given up the cats. So we agreed to keep the cats, and we just decided that we were gonna get filters and we were gonna vacuum all the time and make sure we really kept on it, which we have. And so we've only been using this we have a different purifier out in the other room, but we've been using this particular one for a couple weeks now. And my husband said that he was waking up with, he had kind of like wheezing lungs for a while there. And then we've been using this purifier and it's much better. I don't know if it's all the way gone yet. I think he has just a little bit left, but it's so much better, he says, than it was before. So that's a positive. I guess we'll keep you. I like to run it anyways, just because I like that there's less dust. I just feel better having it running, just knowing that the air is a lot more pure otherwise. So that is my review. I really like this unit. My husband says it works really, really well for the allergies stuff. It's a true HEPA filter, so you're gonna get some really good filtration there. If you have any issues with breathing or anything like that, you might wanna try one of these out. A lot of other people in the review section said very similar things, that they have less dust in their rooms as well. They notice a lot less dust and that they're getting a lot better breathing quality and breathing with animals and things like that too. So something to check out. Remember, Amazon Prime Day is super awesome. If you want to get this unit, it's coming up really soon. Just wait a few days. If you are watching this at the time of publish, July 15th and 16th, you'll get some amazing deals. And also, guys, check out, if you've been interested in getting anything like a big purchase or something like that, look at Amazon Prime Day for blenders, for Instant Pots, for, you know, lots of different things that you can use in the kitchen, or other appliances that you might be wanting to get but maybe didn't feel like you could afford. Check and see the prices because they are pretty incredible. Let's talk giveaway, okay? If you guys want to enter this giveaway, there is a link down below or above, depending on where you're watching this, to the giveaway on my website. You'll have to fill out this little widget. You'll get a few different ways to be able to enter, and I will draw the winner really soon and let you know. Okay, that's all I got. I hope you guys like this review. I hope you get this air purifier. It really, really is awesome. And let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Do you need one of these air purifiers, and would you consider this one? Thank you so much to Levoit for doing this giveaway with me, sponsoring, allowing me to try out one of your products, as well as give my audience a product as well. So thank you, Levoit. If you guys like these videos and you want me to be able to make more, check out my Patreon channel, patreon.com/thewateringmouth, where you can get coaching and tips and tricks and things on how to live your healthiest lifestyle all at the same time while helping me build my channel here. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.